Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me, well, these three items, and I did what I think he wants to do, but he's just, and sometimes I'd be confused about it too. Let's make a duplicate of that. And what he's trying to do is to intersect this blended line. He's working off one of my videos, he said, with the Intersect tool. And we get that about in the middle and we intersect it. We get that, which is basically the opposite of what you want. So what you want to do in this case, let me just get rid of that. You've got to think of it backwards. It intersected what it wanted to do because it intersected the black lines. So what we have to do, and because the thing is all one group, we can fill in the colors of the butterfly with any color. I'm just using blue to give a contrast to show up in your monitor. Whoop, went a little too fast. Now what we're going to do, we're making the Smart Fill tool makes a new object. Now we have this, and I'm going to Control G and group it. Now at no time did I move anything, I'm nudging. Now we can go here and intersect, and that's what we get. And you move this back and you get that. I don't really understand, unless this is part of a logo. If we look at it, it's thick lines going to thin lines. And if you look at it with a black box, I had to look at it just to kind of see what more it was looking like. So it's pretty cool, little graphic. And it's kind of in the shape of a butterfly. Anyway, so when intersect doesn't work, that's why, because it will intersect these parts and not the outline. Hope that made sense, and thank you for watching.